Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: moot, M-O-O-T, transpire, T-R-A-N-S-P-I-R-E, emulate, E-M-U-L-A-T-E, fetter, F-E-T-T-E-R. First one, moot, often discussed, argued about, but having no definite answer. That is what we call it as moot. Even we can say not important, not relevant, therefore not worth discussing. That is what we call it as moot. Doubtful. Synonyms: controversial, dubious, undecided, uncertain, debatable. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: certain, definite, decided, sure, settled, resolved, unquestionable, proven. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the court's decision became moot when the defendant was found dead. The court's decision became moot when the defendant was found dead. One more example we can give: we don't have enough money to go, so it's all moot anyway. We don't have enough money to go, so it's all moot anyway. Next one, transpire, occur, of a secret or something unknown came to be known, is what we call it as transpire. Synonyms: arise, chance, to happen, take place, become apparent, become known, be disclosed, revealed. All these words can be related to synonyms. Ma, we do have one more meaning for transpire ma. If a body or a plant transpires, it loses water through its surface or skin. That is what we call it as transpire. So even some more synonyms can be added. Vaporize, evaporate can be added to synonyms for transpire. Antonyms: cause, stop, prevent, fail, recede, invalidate, disallow, keep down. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: what they thought which might have been interesting did not transpire. That means did not happen. What they thought which might have been interesting did not transpire. No one is willing to predict what may transpire at the peace conference. No one is willing to predict what may happen at the peace conference. A lot has transpired since we last spoke. A lot has transpired since we last spoke. All these can be given as examples. Clear? Emulate, copy, imitate. I don't think so I need to give any explanation for that, right? So imitate, mimic, follow. To copy someone's behavior or try to be like someone else because you admire or respect that person. That is what we call it as emulate. So again, synonyms: copy, imitate, mimic, follow, ditto, do like, make like, echo, mirror, reproduce. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: differ, oppose, neglect. Example: the kids emulated the characters very nicely in the play. He just wanted to emulate his dad. He just wanted to emulate his dad. That also can be given as one more example. Ma, clear? Fetter. Fetter means to keep someone within limits or stop them from making progress, or to tie someone to a place by putting chains around their ankles. That is what we call it as fetter. Synonyms: confine, hamper, restrict, bind, hinder, handcuffs, curb. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: free, liberate, allow, assist, help, let go, release, permit. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: COVID-19 fettered the company from further investments. COVID-19 fettered the company, restricted the company from further investments. Ma, clear? That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.